This is how we're going to do our paper airplane. See, this is how we're going to do it. Are you ready? Here we go. Fold. First, you fold it. What are those things called, Daddy?
Corners.
Corners? But what's that? Straight? Oh, yeah, okay. First, you fold it into a straight line. Open it up. Fold the front corner. Both front corners. But you can do it any way you want. But it has to be the corners. You can do it like this side or this side, pretending you are on the left or on the right. It doesn't matter which one. Right, Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
On the left or on the right, right?
Mm-hmm. Now what did I do?
And then you do it into a straight line after that. And then what else?
Corners again.
Corners again. The front corners again. And then use the scissors to cut the middle. Use the scissors to cut the corners. I meant the little ones, not the big ones, the littles. But you gotta be very careful. Okay, have your scissors, please. And then you fold into what, Daddy?
Now we're folding the wings down.
Now that we're folding the wings down. And then he folds into a straight dangling line. And then he's done as the airplane making over fence fly. I already said that.